Hey everybody, how you doing today? This is a quick tutorial of an issue that was brought up in the Facebook forum for PowerDirector. How do you do a zoom on a picture and have it stop at a certain point? I've got a picture of a living room here. I have the duration set at 3 seconds. The individual was wanting a quick zoom and then hold on a specific spot. The way to accomplish this zoom in effect is using the PIP Designer. You can either click on the picture in the timeline and go to Designer, PIP Designer, or simply double click it. Okay, here we are in the PIP Designer. I had to fix the rotation on this photograph as it was skewed just a little bit, but don't worry about that. Okay, so we want to zoom in on this artwork here on the wall. How do we do that? Okay, we have our scrubber set all the way at the beginning of the clip, and the clip duration again is 3 seconds. One of the things to remember is the duration of the clip or the photograph will be in direct relation to how fast the zoom occurs. This individual wanted a fast zoom, so that's why the clip is only 3 seconds long. Okay, first thing we're going to want to do, add keyframes at the beginning of the clip. The scrubber's all the way to the left of our 3 second clip. Add keyframes, position and scale. We're not doing a fade on the opacity. I have that rotation set. Okay, it's a 3 second clip. We want this zoom to take place in 3 seconds and focus on that artwork. So we're going to grab our scrubber, bring it all the way over to the right. That's the end of the photo clip. Come over here to our scale. Maintain aspect ratio, make sure that is checked. Grab this scrubber here on the width, and we're going to go to the right, and you can see how the zoom in effect works. Then we're going to come over here, grab onto the picture in our preview window, and bring it down. Okay, I went just a little bit too far. Going to back off that just a little bit so it fits within the grid lines. And that looks, get it centered, that looks pretty good there. You added the keyframes here on the original positioning. When you get done doing your scale and positioning, these keyframes are automatically added in. If you did not set these at first, you would have to set it manually. So set them first, move your scrubber, do your positioning, and the keyframes automatically are added in. If I were to move this down just a little bit, that positioning keyframe automatically updates. Okay, so let's take a look at how this looks. Going to back it up, this 3 second clip, and here we go. Okay, let's click OK and go back to the timeline. Now we have this 3 second clip zooming in, a little jerky on the preview. It'll be smoother when you make the final movie. That looks pretty good. Now you want to hold at that final shot. So what we're going to do here is bring our scrubber all the way over to the end of this 3 second clip. Here with your capture, take a snapshot of the video. We're going to do that. Okay, here's our snapshot of the video up here in our library. We're going to bring this down to the timeline. My defaults are set at 5 seconds. You can change this to any duration that you want for the hold feature after the zoom. So let's keep her at 5 seconds for right now. We'll back everything up. Here we go. Pretty seamless. It just, that picture, that static picture snapshot that you took is a great hold feature. I could have made the original picture 10 seconds long, had the zoom only last for 3 seconds, and then that would have been a 7 second hold. I prefer to make my zooms the original duration that I desire, then use the capture function, bring that picture down in, and set the duration of that. Let's say that 5 seconds is too long. We'll go to duration. We'll change that to 2 seconds. Now that hold is only 2 seconds. And there you go. I hope this makes sense.